Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hi, my kindreds. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you'll see from the title, we are getting ready to do this nice, fresh summer look, right, guys? So where you have like skin-like finish, even with persons with blemishes. Now, if you all know me and you all follow me for a while, you know that I have blemishes on my skin, but it is possible to get a nice, flawless, clean makeup look even though you have blemishes, right, guys? As you can see, and all my videos are raw. There are no filters on my videos, so you all can see that this is me, right? A little bit of makeup, and this is what I look like. So if it is you're interested to see how it is I achieve this look, just keep on watching. I'm my kindred. So as you can see, we're going to get this face done. I've already moisturized my skin. For this type of makeup look, you need to be moisturized. Matter of fact, for any makeup look, you need to be moisturized, right, guys? Especially during the summer, moisturize and sunscreen. Two things you need to do, right? So in this makeup look here, I want to look very effortless. I want to look like this is my skin but better. So I'm just gonna like brush my eyebrows, and I will shape them, okay? I want my eyebrows to give effortless. I want my eyebrows to give that, hey, I didn't really do too much, so I don't want it to be too structured. Just take my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just lightly, it's a light eyebrows is perfectly shaped like that. It's not too dark, it's not too, if it is you want, you can do lighter lashes than I have, but listen, this type of lashes here for me, this is my light, right? This is my go-to type of lashes. You can do lighter, or you can do no lashes at all. No lashes at all, that's totally fine and up to you. I'm just going to use a wax stick here on the brows just to help lay them down, right? And I see it kind of look up and it's free. It's not really too structured, you see, right? Just like brush that wax in, right? Or whatever you use for your eyebrows to keep it together. Next, I'm going in with some translucent powder, and I'm just gonna pat that over it. That's to help take away any greasy look, any, any type of oils that will be coming from my eyebrows. Second, skin foundation, right? Because we want to give this effortless, right? We don't want too much or anything, so we're just taking our angle brush and just simply clean up under the eyebrows, right? If you use your foundation color or concealer with your foundation color, um it wouldn't look like, like it did so much. And if it is you were to use a lighter color, simply blend that out. As you all can see, I have blemishes on my face, right? So we need to conceal our blemishes, but yet we don't want too much of makeup. So what I will be doing is, my face is already prepped. I unfortunately do not have any primer. What I want to do, I want to use my same second skin foundation on my skin, and I use very minimal. Like, this is a second skin foundation, and I just want just sheer coverage, nothing extravagant, the lightest amount possible. And reason being is because I have blemishes. Yeah, lightest amount that you could think about, right? So my blemishes will peek through, but my skin will look more like, effortless. It would not look as, she tried. See, the lightest amount, yes, spread out, right? And whatever remaining you have, you just put that here. Next, I'm going to take a lighter foundation, right, in the same second skin, very little, okay, right? So that amount, pea size, um both sides of the eyes, and the remnants I will cut it out elsewhere. If you're like me and your skin has blemishes and you wanted to do, you want to conceal some more, you can use your concealer here now, where you will use less. So just a touch, right? And there's the only two places that I'm going to put this. And together with the same brush that I used, just pat it out. Some translucent powder, and with a brush, just pat that out. And, right, I'm also going in with my sponge, pat it out. Right, and just, okay, make sure you get that set. Also, the corner of your eyes, make sure you set up there. Next, I'm going to, I don't want to contour my face really, I want to more bronze it. So I'm going in with a lighter brown. Usually I go with this here and mix those, but I feel I will go below. And this, like, I just been in the sun, y'all. Just been in the sun a lot, and that's what I look like. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And before we did all these powders, if it is you have a liquid blush, you can use that, but I don't. Or I'm also taking this brush here, and that's the in my eyes there. I also down my nose like that. Why using this big brush is because it's not too precise. It's just, because we ain't really going for precise, we just going for a show up, right? And Just tap your face with it. You don't need to be precise or anything. You could just be a little free like that, and you look. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, but I look a little. Just pop some of that inside the eyes as well. That's whatever remnants you have on your brush, right? And yeah, guys, that's it. Just hit you with just a tad bit. As you can see, it's on the skin, but it's not too much. It's just effortless, just there, right? If it is you want, you could do some shimmers on the eyes. I don't think I would do anything like that. I think I like how I look. It's just it just look normal. I like I like the idea of looking like I look put together without doing too much. So that's button sound. So I before I even started, I moisturized my lips with this here. This is cocoa butter jelly stick, right? That's what I had on my lips. But I moisturized. I didn't show you all that, but yeah. So now my lips are a little dark because that's what I like, right? Is what I like. But you can go in with something lighter if you wish, right? Or you can use a lipstick, whatever you want to, right? And just put some gloss because I already had moisturizer on my lips. The gloss mixed with the lip liner, you know, it makes you look like if it is you have something on your lips, which you do, what is not a lipstick, right? And if you wish, you can go in with some highlighter. Highlighter will give you that nice little. And again, you being very not too precise, just to look like when the sun hits you, yeah, hey, she has something going on. I'd say have a nice glow from within type of look. Let's try it on the right. So I don't know if you all look at my face. I look a little more glossy. I don't know. Right, guys? You use your satin spray, right? Your satin spray is going to make you feel cool, right? It's going to not mattify, but melt everything into each other, so it will look more cohesive and as one, right, guys? So all right, guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you all think. All right, guys, again, as I said, with the lashes, you can put a mascara. If it is you don't want to go for lashes, you can use shorter lashes if that's what you like. You can use a natural lashes if that's what you like. You can use nothing at all if that's what you like. But what y'all think? Let me know what y'all think about my skin, how I look. Summertime, you look nice, you look fresh, you look like you're not overdoing it. It's daytime, we out and about, we'll be sweating a lot, so we don't want to have too much going on because the place is hot. But this is what I look like, guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me, Ashalana Aesthetic, at both on both Instagram and on TikTok. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, right, guys? And I will see you guys in another one. Bye.